If you think that you need qualifications to start an online business, then listen to this. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Sadai. I'm a stay-at-home mommy. So I used to think that too, that you need certain qualifications or experience to start an online business. And that's the reason why the online space never ever crossed my mind back then. And I thought that I gonna stay stuck for the rest of my life, relying on one income stream, stretching that one income for school fees, rent, groceries, life expenses, and failing every month. And I wish that someone would tell me back then that I don't need a qualification or any degree to start an online business, but just a step by step system. Because of all those sleepless nights, the guilt feeling, the fear of I need to give up my stay at home mommy lifestyle in order to help my overworked husband financially. So 17 months ago, I found this online business program, a rejection-free, beginner-friendly program that teaches you step by step how to start an online business without any qualifications, without any degrees, a beginner-friendly program. You're working 2 hours a day from home. A beginner friendly program that's designed for women, wives, busy parents, and overworked husband just to breathe again, giving you high income skills or teaches you high income skills exactly how to earn in dollars from home. If you are still watching, then this is your sign. You don't need any qualifications, my friend. You need a decision. So if you want to know more about the program that I follow for the past 17 months now, put a word start in my comments and let me pluck you.